You're living in the digital age. Content is king, and YouTube is its throne room. Everyone and their grandma are starting a channel. But standing out? That takes hustle. That takes strategy. And that's where Matt Parr comes in. He's giving you the keys to the kingdom with his innovative programs, Tube AI and Tube Accelerator. Ready to become the next YouTube sensation? Let's go. You have something to say. You have a passion. Share it with the world. YouTube gives you the platform. Matt Parr gives you the tools. No more excuses. It's time to execute. This isn't just about views. It's about building a brand. It's about connecting with your audience. It's about turning your passion into profit. With the right guidance, you can achieve anything. Are you ready to crush it? Time is your most valuable asset. Tube AI gets that. It leverages the power of artificial intelligence to streamline your YouTube journey. Imagine this: AI crafting engaging titles and descriptions that hook viewers. AI analyzing data to pinpoint the perfect upload times. AI even helping you find the hottest trends in your niche. This isn't science fiction, this is the future of content creation. Tube AI takes the guesswork out of YouTube. It eliminates the overwhelm. It empowers you to work smarter, not harder. Focus on your passion and let AI handle the rest. No more staring at a blank screen, wondering what to create. No more spending hours on tedious tasks. Tube AI does the heavy lifting. You focus on delivering killer content. It's a match made in YouTube heaven. Tube AI isn't just a tool, it's a comprehensive system. It walks you step by step through building a successful YouTube channel. Start with the fundamentals niche selection. Tube AI helps you identify profitable niches that align with your passions. Then, it guides you through creating high-quality videos that rank. Learn the secrets of YouTube SEO. Master the art of audience engagement. And discover proven monetization strategies. Tube AI covers it all. It's like having a YouTube expert by your side 24/7. Each module is packed with actionable insights. You'll get templates, checklists, and step-by-step instructions. No fluff, just pure concentrated YouTube gold. Are you ready to transform your channel? Section 4 Tube AI Bonuses, your secret weapons to success. Wait, there's more. Tube AI comes loaded with exclusive bonuses. You get access to Tube Magic software. This powerful tool helps you optimize your videos for maximum visibility. Say goodbye to low views and hello to YouTube stardom. But it doesn't stop there. You'll also join a thriving community of like-minded creators, get support, feedback, and collaborate with other YouTubers. This network is invaluable. It's a goldmine of knowledge and inspiration. Tube AI is more than just a course. It's an investment in your success. With its AI-powered tools, comprehensive training, and exclusive bonuses, you'll have everything you need to dominate YouTube. Section 5. Tube Accelerator. Level up your YouTube game. Ready to take it to the next level? Tube Accelerator is your answer. This program is for serious creators. It offers personalized support and direct access to Matt Parr's team of experts. You'll receive one-on-one coaching tailored to your specific goals. Get ready for intensive training sessions, receive detailed feedback on your content, and unlock the secrets to high-ticket affiliate marketing. Tube Accelerator is like having an all-star team in your corner. They'll push you to be your best and help you achieve YouTube greatness. This is where you transform from a creator to an authority. You'll learn how to build a loyal audience. You'll discover the power of high-ticket affiliate marketing. And you'll unlock the secrets to building a sustainable, profitable YouTube business. Section 6. Tube AI versus Tube Accelerator. Which one is right for you? Both Tube AI and Tube Accelerator can transform your YouTube journey, but they cater to different needs. Tube AI is perfect if you're just starting out, or if you prefer a more automated approach. It provides you with the tools and knowledge to succeed, all powered by the efficiency of AI. Tube Accelerator is ideal if you're ready to invest in personalized support and high-level strategies. You'll receive direct guidance from Matt Parr's team and unlock exclusive opportunities. The choice is yours. No matter which program you choose, you're making a smart investment in your YouTube future. Both options provide incredible value and the potential to skyrocket your channel's growth. Section 7. Unlock your YouTube potential with Matt Parr. The YouTube game is changing. Are you keeping up? Matt Parr is leading the way with his innovative programs. Tube AI and Tube Accelerator offer unique solutions to help you succeed. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale, Matt Parr has you covered. Don't wait another minute. Your YouTube success story starts now. Choose the program that aligns with your goals and get ready to crush it. The world is waiting to hear your voice. Let's do this. Remember, success on YouTube takes dedication, strategy, and the right tools. Matt Parr provides all three. Now it's your turn to take action and unleash your full potential. In this chapter, we will explore advanced strategies for optimizing your YouTube channel. These strategies include leveraging analytics, engaging with your audience, and utilizing advanced SEO techniques. Stay tuned to learn how to take your channel to the next level. First, let's talk about analytics. Understanding your audience is key to growth. Use YouTube analytics to track your performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. This will help you create content that resonates with your viewers and keeps them coming back for more. Next, engagement is crucial. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your channel. The more you interact with your audience, the more loyal they will become. Remember, YouTube is a social platform, so be social. Finally, mastering SEO can make a huge difference. Use keyword research to find what your audience is searching for. Optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your visibility. The better your SEO, the more likely you are to attract new viewers. By leveraging these advanced strategies, you'll be well on your way to YouTube success. Stay dedicated, stay strategic, and watch your channel grow. Let's take it to the next level together. Now let's dive into the importance of consistency and content planning. Creating a content calendar is a game changer for any YouTuber. It helps you stay organized, ensures you never miss a posting date, and keeps your content flowing smoothly. Start by mapping out your content ideas for the next month. This will give you a clear vision of what to create and when to publish it. Posting regularly is crucial for maintaining and growing your audience. When viewers know when to expect new content, they are more likely to return to your channel. Consistency builds trust and loyalty, which are essential for long-term success. Maintaining a consistent brand voice across all your videos is equally important. Your brand voice represents your unique style and personality. It sets you apart from the competition and helps viewers connect with you on a deeper level. Whether it's the way you speak, the type of content you create, or the visual elements you use, consistency in your brand voice will strengthen your identity and make your channel more memorable. By mastering content planning and maintaining consistency, you'll create a reliable and engaging experience for your audience. This, in turn, will drive growth and keep your viewers coming back for more. Stay committed, stay consistent, and watch your channel thrive. Welcome to our final chapter. Now that you've mastered content planning and consistency, it's time to dive into the tools and resources that will elevate your YouTube game to the next level. From video editing software to keyword research tools, we'll provide you with a comprehensive list of resources to help you create high-quality content and grow your channel. First up, video editing software. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, having the right editing tools is crucial. Programs like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve offer powerful features to polish your videos to perfection. For those on a budget, free options like HitFilm Express and Shotcut are excellent alternatives. Next, let's talk about keyword research tools. Understanding what your audience is searching for can give you a significant advantage. Tools like TubeBuddy, VidiQ, and Google Trends can help you find the best keywords to optimize your videos for search. But that's not all. Graphics and thumbnail creation tools like Canva and Adobe Spark can make your videos stand out in a crowded feed. Eye-catching thumbnails can dramatically increase your click-through rate, so don't underestimate their importance. And let's not forget about analytics. Keeping track of your performance is essential for growth. Platforms like YouTube Analytics, Social Blade, and Google Analytics offer valuable insights into your audience's behavior, helping you refine your strategy and content. Finally, consider investing in good equipment. A decent camera, microphone, and lighting setup can significantly improve your video quality, making your content more professional and engaging. By leveraging these tools and resources, you'll be well equipped to produce high-quality content and grow your YouTube channel. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with the right tools, planning, and consistency, you're on the right path to YouTube success. Keep creating, keep learning, and watch your channel thrive.